another video. Today's video, I will be doing a haul with you all. I got a package from a company called Nahio Jewelry. They sent me over a couple pieces that they let me select, and I would like to share them with you all so I can show you what I got and also give you my honest opinion on each jewelry piece that I did receive. And I would definitely leave their link down to their website down below, as well as the link to their app that they have. They're a accessories company, so it's kind of like they sell, not only do they sell jewelry, they also sell like purses and all the other type of stuff like that. And I will definitely again leave the link down to their website down below. But yeah, let's hop right on into this video so I can show you what I got. I'm so excited to look at the quality of all the pieces that I picked out, and I'm happy to share them with you all. So I'm gonna go with these first two necklaces here. They are initial necklaces, and it's the package that all the pieces came in. Packages them to this with plastic, as well as inside something within the package too. And all of my jewelry is gold, so if you're new by here, I love wearing gold jewelry. Every now and then I wear a little silver here and there, or some pearls. But other than that, it's going to be gold jewelry. So let's see what we got here. And I got two J necklaces. I'm just going to open up one of them since they both are the same initials. Oh, they got this package good. There we go. All right. And they also got them in these little Ziploc type of bags. But if you see, that's how it looks. The J. And I got these for my girls. And their names are Jasmine and Jemiah. Let's see. Let's look at the quality of this necklace, y'all. Oh, it looks good. Looks real good. And I'm rubbing my nail against it. I do that on the plate of the initial to see if it'll like scratch easily or anything like that, but it's not scratching at all. And the chains and stuff is supposed to be nickel free, so we will find out on down the line if it'll mess with our skin, because I know me personally, my girls seem like they're okay when it comes to like not real jewelry, but I would personally break out like rash and greeny and all that type of stuff. But if it's truly nickel free, we will definitely find out. But yeah, this is it out of the package, and the gold looks great. It's not like you know how sometimes not real jewelry when it's gold it looks yellowish, but no, this is actually true gold. It looks real good. I'm excited to open up the rest of the pieces and see how they look as well. Oh, cool. And thank you again, Nahio, for, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and I'll put the name across the screen as well. And I will try to put the prices of each item, or at least I'm going to try to link down all the items that I received. But if I don't, the link to their main website will definitely still be in the description box for you as well. And this is another gold chain. I think I got two initials. This one I'm about to show you. Another one here. So I got a total of 5 chains. 2 bracelets. One is like a double, like a stacking type of bracelet. And then rings and earrings. So yeah. This is this one here, and this one is, I think it's double layer necklace. Oh yeah, no, it's not double layer, it's just a chain. No, it is double layer. Hold on, y'all, I can't really see how this goes. Okay, this is how it goes. I'm gonna put it together how it's supposed to be around your neck. So that's how it's supposed to go. So it is considered like double chained. You can see that. So you have your regular chain, and then you have your loop chain double necklace. Super cute. And then it has this little charm here. That's the other necklace. And I think this one here is similar to that one, double chain. Okay, this one is not. And this one is considered stainless steel gold. And it's just a single necklace. And again, the gold on each one of them so far looks like gold and not yellowish. I like that. Because, you know, how sometimes you can tell when the necklace or your jewelry isn't real. So I like this for me. And these are cuff, like cuff earrings here. Like C cuffs, if you can see that. Where you can like just clip it. Let me see if I can get it on there. It's my first time ever wearing one of these, y'all. Even though I have a piercing in this ear here at the top. This is something you can wear on the lines like that. And this one here, this cuff has, I got two of them. It came with two. And it has like pearls on one side and diamonds on the other, if you can see that. I thought that was real cute. And then I got these little small stud earrings here. And they're real little, y'all. Tiny studs here. If I can get it out. I'm just gonna pull one of them out of the, and they double packed it. So it's also inside of another little baggie like this too. And this is how it looks. Y'all can see that. Studded earrings. They're super cute. So far I'm liking everything that I chose. Here's another ring. Well, a ring, not another one. Oh, they got this one packed tight. There we go. Sorry for all the noise, y'all. I wanted to open it in real timing with you all. And this is the ring. Gold with diamonds. And it's not a, you can wear it fully on your finger like that. Or you can tighten it up a little bit. And you know how you can wear it above the knuckles. And how you stack your rings. And I think that's a T. Yeah. Here are the bracelets. This is the stacked bracelet set right here. And I don't really wear bracelets like that, but I'm trying to get into doing that more often when I do wear a lot of jewelry. Let me see if I can get them on my little wrist. Would anyone else have a problem with their wrist being small? Like my wrist is so little. Like when I buy like linked watches and stuff like that, like my Samsung watch has a link on it, I have to take some of the links off in order for it to fit my wrist properly. So I want to put these on so I can show you how they look on me. So give me 1 second, y'all. So they're on here. And that's all of them there. You can see it really good. You can see the different designs on most of them. And again, good quality on the gold. Looks like real gold jewelry. And this other bracelet here. I think this, to me, this bracelet is more dressy like. just, it's like clamping on. It's like that. And here's the last necklace, and then I got some earrings to show you all too as well. And Kimberly, if you're watching, girl, I can't wait till you drop your line, because the jewelry that you're showing, that you're going to be bringing, I can't wait to purchase. Cannot wait. And I'm going to definitely leave her Instagram and YouTube page down below as well. Her YouTube page is being Kimberly Arlinda. I'm gonna link that down there, and then I will definitely link her Instagram to her jewelry line that she's going to be relaunching soon, and I cannot wait. So yeah, just had to throw that in there. That made me think of you, girl, showing this jewelry here. And this is a 3-link necklace here. So it's 3 different necklaces in one. Little crescent moon. And then this is like the star on that one. And then just this one here. So it's like if you want to layer necklaces without layering more than one, then a necklace like this is a great way to go. And last but not least, y'all, some earrings. I love earrings, especially gold earrings and big hoop earrings and stuff like that. I can't find the right type of hoop earrings that I'm looking for. I'm looking for some silver ones, but not like the beauty supply store hoop earrings, you know, like they be thin and big. I want a thickness, like kind of how thick this is. Big hoop earrings. That one came off. But yeah, these are the earrings here. And there are 3 different pairs. So you got this one. Let me show you that one since it fell off. And then you have like the rope style one. And then the more smooth edge one. But yes, y'all, this is all that I received from them. I appreciate them collabing with me on this video to give y'all a little review or haul for them as well. So don't forget to press on the link in my description box down below and check their website out. I don't receive a percentage or anything like that, but I definitely will leave everything in the description box. They didn't give me a code for you all, but everything on their website is pretty cheap and it's on sale as well. And if they do end up giving me a code after this video is posted, I would definitely leave that code down in the description box for you too. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this short little haul. I hope you enjoyed everything, and let me know what's your favorite piece out of everything that I showed you here in today's video, and I will catch you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.